Hello, and thanks for watching my video. This is part one of two, putting the winter cover on the boat. I'm using a metal tent frame that probably from Walmart or Sam's Club, one of those $100 10 by 20s. Obviously all the pipes had to be cut to make it fit. It sits on wooden blocks that are cut down a little bit for the pipe to set into them so they stay stationary. And then I tie it to the cleats on the deck. I'll cover it with the original cover, which is getting a little rough, and I've got some blue tarps to seal it in so I can heat it during the winter. Put a salamander in there and works fine. You can see me right here tying the back one down cleat to cleat over the top. We get some pretty good winds here, and could get a good fair amount of snow and wind this winter. Want it to be stable. Here I'm putting the hatches back in the floor, putting the knobs back into them. The floor is fairly well finished. Some of the trim needs to be done yet. Piddly work to do during the winter. Last year I tied downwards to the rack on the top of the boat. There's a handrail that goes across here. It has a bunch of rod holders attached to it, and I tied down to that, and somehow it's yanked it loose a little bit. So that's going to be a job that has to be done before I can go back in the water. Most of the joints where the pipe slides into the couplers, I put a little duct tape onto them, a little wrap duct tape. Kind of helps keep it together. Makes it a little easier to assemble this framework. And most all of these pipes had to be cut to make them fit right. Wasn't a big deal. The front obviously doesn't reach. What I did is I got a coupler on there and put a little tape around it. Just a little slide coupler like you use on a chain link fence. I missed a segment there. I thought I put the GoPro on, and it's hard to tell. It's a little camera. Sometimes I think it's recording and it's not recording. Sorry about that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part two. Haven't forgot the rest of the floor yet. We'll get that done. Get it posted. Looks pretty good. I'm quite happy with it. Thank you.